Number 5. Caloric Maxix Air Fryer Oven. Best for families, why it stands out. Often featured as the best air fryer toaster oven at Costco, the Caloric Max combines massive capacity with energy efficiency that actually saves money on utility bills. Key features: Turbo Max technology, cooks French fries 22% faster, steak 37% faster, chicken 27% faster than competitors. Energy efficiency, saves over 77% in energy compared to traditional ovens. 10 in 1. Functionality: air fry, bake, toast, roast, rotisserie, braise, sear, dehydrate, broil, and warm. 21 smart presets. One-touch cooking for flawless results every time. 26-quart family capacity. Fits 14-pound turkey, 12-inch pizza, or 9 slices of toast. 9 premium accessories: air frying basket, baking tray, rotisserie spit, steak tray, bacon tray, and more French glass doors. Easy visibility and access. Dimensions: 12.5, DX 15.75, WX 14, H, power 1700 watts. Weight 17.2 pounds. Why choose this? For large families or anyone who entertains regularly, the Caloric Max is the best air fryer toast oven that handles substantial meal preparation effortlessly. The 77% energy savings translate to real money back in your pocket, and the Turbo Max X technology means dinner is ready faster when hungry kids are waiting. The rotisserie function adds restaurant-quality options you won't find in most competitors. Perfect for large families, entertainers, energy-conscious households, and anyone who wants professional rotisserie capabilities at home.
Number 4. Electactic 18QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Best for small spaces. Why it stands out. Consistently rated as the best air fryer toaster oven for small spaces, this compact powerhouse proves you don't need to sacrifice functionality for a smaller footprint. Key features: truly non-toxic design, no coating, no BPA, no PFAS, cold-rolled steel interior handles high heat safely, 12-in-1 digital control, air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, reheat, and more via intuitive touch panel. Compact 18-quart capacity. Fits 10 to 12 pizzas, multiple toast slices, meals for 2 to 3 people. Full temperature control, 7450 degrees range with 60-minute timer. Complete accessory set, rack, air fryer basket, baking tray, crumb tray included ETL, certified safety, sleek stainless steel exterior. Dimensions: 13.7, DX 13.8, WX 14.1H. Power: 1750 watts. Weight: 14.3 lbs. Why choose this? For apartment dwellers, RV owners, or anyone with limited counter space, this is the best air fryer toaster oven that doesn't compromise on safety or features. The genuinely non-toxic interior addresses growing concerns about chemical coatings in cookware. Despite its compact size, it handles daily cooking tasks beautifully while using up to 85% less oil than deep frying. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, couples, and health-conscious individuals prioritizing non-toxic materials. Number 3. Midea Flexify Pro. Innovation meets performance. Why it stands out. The best air fryer toaster oven for 2025 and 2026 showcases cutting-edge technology that transforms cooking speed and quality. The Midea Flexify Pro introduces revolutionary graphene heating that responds in just 0.2 seconds. Key features: graphene rapid heat. Technology reaches 350 degrees in just 3 minutes, 60% faster than traditional convection ovens. Cooking functions: 10 essential modes plus 4 specialty options, including dedicated pizza mode, artisan pizza. Perfection: 4 crust options, classic, thin, rising, deep dish, for restaurant quality results. Express clean enamel interior. PFAS-free, grease-resistant surface wipes clean in seconds. French door design. single pull access with 26.4 quart capacity temperature, range 100 and 450 to give for ultimate versatility, dimensions 16.14 D x 16.993 W x 13.74 AH, power 1750 watts, to weight 21.38 ohms. Why choose this? If you're searching for the best air fryer toaster oven with no toxic materials, the Medea's PFAS-free enamel interior delivers both safety and performance. The graphene technology isn't just marketing hype. It genuinely transforms cooking speed while maintaining incredible even heating. Pizza enthusiasts will fall in love with the dedicated pizza mode that rivals authentic pizzeria ovens. Perfect for tech-savvy cooks, pizza lovers, health-conscious families prioritizing non-toxic cookware, and anyone wanting the latest innovations. Number 2. Cuisinart TO 65 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Best value performance. Why it stands out. Frequently mentioned on Reddit as the best air fryer toaster oven for balanced performance and price, the Cuisinart TO A65 combines stainless steel elegance with practical functionality that everyday cooks truly appreciate. Key features: 12 versatile functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, low, dual cook, and reheat, 0.6 cubic feet. Capacity: air fry up to 3 pounds, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. Dual cook function: prepare 2 different foods simultaneously with independent settings. Complete accessory set includes oven rack, dishwasher-safe baking pan, and air fry basket. Large viewing window. Monitor cooking without opening the door. Dimensions: 17dx down to 21.73 WX 15.75. H. Power 8 to 1800 watts. Material: non-stick stainless steel. Why choose this? The Cuisinart offers remarkable versatility without overwhelming complexity. The dual cook function revolutionizes meal preparation by letting you cook protein and vegetables simultaneously at different temperatures. Reddit users consistently praise its reliability, and the limited 3-year warranty provides peace of mind. Perfect for busy families, first-time air fryer users, and anyone seeking reliability with excellent customer support. Number 1. Breville Beau V900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the premium choice. Why it stands out. When discussing the best air fryer toaster oven, according to Consumer Reports and America's Test Kitchen Standards, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro consistently ranks at the top. This brushed stainless steel masterpiece isn't just an appliance. It's a cooking companion that thinks for you. Key features: Element IQ system, 5 independent quartz elements, with smart algorithms create perfectly tailored cooking environments, eliminating cold spots. 13 cooking functions: toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate super convection. Technology: reduces cooking time by up to 30% with 2-speed fan control, extra large capacity, 1 cubic foot interior, fits 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or a 12-cup muffin tray. Interior oven: light, automatically illuminates to monitor cooking progress. Dimensions: 17.5 DX 21.5 WX 12.7 H. Power 1800 watts. Weight 30.2 tubs. Why choose this? If you're searching for the best air fryer toaster oven, Wirecutter would recommend The Breville delivers professional-grade performance with intuitive controls. The Element IAQ system ensures perfect results, whether you're a beginner or experienced chef. While it requires more counter space, the versatility justifies every inch. Perfect for home chefs who demand precision, families needing large capacity, and anyone wanting commercial quality results at home.